Ladies and gentlemen, this is only a small interruption in the program. It's just a short welcome from all of you who've come from various parts of South Asia and the world. And Valerie Hickey over here is from the US. And I think that Mohammed Yahya is so seldom in Pakistan with the work he has to do all over the world that we might as well welcome him back too. I think that the idea of Breathe Pakistan is certainly, I think its orientation, amplification, and climate resilience, hopefully, as the goal of the whole thing. I think that the amplification becomes important when you come here, because your view is what is going to determine the mix of opinion that this country will talk about. I think it's fair to say that 5 months ago, we were a novice in climate change. We are still a novice in climate change. But when I think of novices, I think of my niece, Nazafreen Sehgal, who is now heading Dawn itself. I head Dawn Media, and Shakil Masood, who's hanging around somewhere working, who heads Dawn News Television. And they're the team that I'm propping up at the back in retirement, hopefully, to make sure that they continue to bring you the kind of events that Dawn is noted for. Climate change is not just an event. It came as Nazafreen's idea. It's a belief, it's an ideology, and we hope to work with you over the next few years to make partial, if not highly achieved resilience through a very sharp system of climate mainstreaming a reality. Thank you.